everyone. I'm going to be presenting to you all the Effortless Revit Workflows MicroCAD Productivity Tools Guide webinar. So for today's agenda, we'll have three main points. The first one is how to gain access to these tools. In second place, understanding their installation process. And finally, mastering their use within the Revit environment. But first, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Maria Munoz. I'm an architect, and I'm doing this webinar on behalf of MicroCAD Training and Consulting, where I work as an AEC application and help desk specialist. I want to thank you all for sharing with us this time. Now, let's talk about what we came for. For starters, I would like to let you know what our productivity tools are. So our productivity tools are a suite designed to empower our clients with unmatched efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. These tools have been created to address the challenges faced by professionals in the industry, providing them with the competitive edge needed to excel in today's fast-paced market. An important information about our tools is that until today, we have them available for AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and Revit. So these are compatible with versions from the 2024 until 2012, but this is going to change soon since the 2025 version is almost ready to be released. Now, what sets them apart? First and foremost, our tools offer a wide range of features that streamline workflows and boost productivity. They enable you, the users, to maximize your potential, accomplishing tasks with unparalleled speed and precision. They help by automating processes that tend to be tedious and repetitive, freeing up valuable time that can be used in more projects. Now, how to gain access to the tools. For this, you will just need to contact your MicroCAD sales rep, which will help you accessing the tools that you desire. Once the purchase process is done, you will receive an email from the MicroCAD team letting you know the tools that you have access to, the number of seats or licenses allowed to download, the serial number you will use to activate them, the contact for this contract, and finally, the download links for the tools, as you can see in the images. Now the installation process. As I mentioned to you, you will receive an email with the download links of the tools. You'll just need to double-click the installation link. And on your downloads folder, you will be able to see the installer of the add-on. You'll just need to double-click it, let it load, and immediately a window will pop up asking if it's okay if the program makes some changes to your device. You'll just have to click yes, as I did on the video. And next, you will see the installer in the bottom of your screen that will be asking you to agree to the license agreement. Well, you just need to read it, click in accept, and hit next. After that, you can select the location in your machine where you would like to save the software. You can browse it or select the default as I did. Then hit install, and it will start loading on your computer. As you can see, you will see the versions that the software will be available on from 2024 to 2012. Once this is finalized, the content admin of the tools will be installed automatically, as you can see on the screen. There's no need for you to do any additional steps here. Once this is finished, you'll just have to follow the prompts, read this important information that the tools is asking you to read, then hit next. And after that, you will be able to see all your tools information with the versions that you have them available for, the version that you have installed, and after that, you just can hit finish. Now, I'm going to show you how to activate them on Revit. You just have to go to the version that you have of Revit, look up for the MicroCAD Revit Tools tab, go to the key symbol, which is the license symbol. And here you will be asked to put the name of your company name, your email, and the serial number that was shared with you over the email. You'll also see that the machine code is showed there, but it's automatically. You can just hit activate once you have filled the blank spaces, and you will see the days remaining for you to use the license. Now that you have the tools installed, I want to show you some additional tools inside the add-on. You will see here the About tab. Over here, you will be able to see the version of the tools that you just have installed and check for new versions in case there are any updates. In this case, I have the latest version, so I don't need to do any updates at this moment. Also, you will find the Settings tab. Here, you will be able to set up your tools the way you want. You can change the language, the Vim query, the calculations, the mark options, and more. You'll just have to set it up as you want and hit OK to save the changes. Next, I want to show you the Help option. Here, you will be directed to the Kobe Labs website. These are our developers' website, where you will find useful information on how to install the tools, how is the user interface, and some additional videos on how to use the specific tools inside the add-on, as you can see in images. Finally, I would like to show you the MicroCAD Revit Tools dropdown. Here you will find the email, the phone, the Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn page for our company, which will help you to have constant support inside the add-on. So there's no need for you to look up on another space. You'll just contact us through that add-on immediately. And now I would like to show you some examples on how these tools will help you work in Revit in a much faster way. So the first example I would like to show you is the renumbering of tools. As you can see here, with just Revit, you'll have to do it manually and type each room's number by number, which is quite difficult when you have huge projects. But instead, with the tools, you'll just have to click inside the rooms, set up the numbering as you would like to change the room numbering, and click inside each one of the rooms that you'd like to change and adjust. The second tool is the room to floor. As you can see in Revit, you need to create the floor manually and draw the room's shape line by line. So it's a quite difficult process when you have a room with a weird shape. But instead, here with the tools, just by choosing the room to floor tool, set up the floor that you would like to assign to the room, offset it from the level, and then clicking on the room, you will have the floor changed immediately, no matter what shape the room has or the size of it. And last but not least, I would like to show you how fast we can delete areas or rooms that are not placed in the model. So in normal Revit, we would need to delete them one by one. And if we have a lot, it's a difficult task. But with the tools, just by selecting the cleanup tool, they all can be deleted at the same time just by selecting the cleanup tool and purging the ones that you want to delete. So now I would like to conclude emphasizing on the impact these tools can have on your business. With them, you can gain access to advantage over competitors, deliver projects faster, with greater accuracy, and achieve superior results. You can streamline processes, increase efficiency, and drive profitability by spending less time working on projects. Well, I would like to thank you all so much again for your time. I hope this information has been useful. And well, I look forward to seeing you in another live session here at MicroCAD.